Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and have a first look at this Honor 8X, and it says AI over here, and I think so they are able to do that because of the new SoC that they're using. It's Huawei's own HiSilicon Kirin 710 on this one, which is a new one. I'm glad that they have used it, and here as you can see some quick specs, and guys the pricing is Cartier because this is a review unit. This is actually officially going to be launched in India on October 16th. So when I get the official pricing, I'll let you guys know. And the one that they have sent us is the 4GB RAM variant that comes with 64GB of internal storage. I'm also hearing there might be one more variant that comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB. But again, all that info I'll know on 16th October when they officially launch. So let's open this up and have a look. And this is the successor to the Honor 7X, which I feel was a pretty good device last year by Honor. So let's see this one, and let's take out the device. And as you can see, it's having that glossy back, so it looks actually pretty premium from the back. As you can see, some stickers and stuff. I'll try to remove that, and not sure. Yeah, this comes out, and definitely from the back actually looks very premium. It has that dual tone finish over here. It says AI camera and fingerprint here, and just says Honor over here. So looks like this is a glass backing that they are giving. As you can see, it's very reflective. So this is the device, and it packs a 6.5-inch screen. We'll come back to the device later. And let's see what else do we got. Some IMI stickers. Looks like a case is bundled. So yes, and some pamphlet and stuff. It says Huawei warranty and whatever, so I'll just keep that to the side. And let's look at this case. It's a basic case, but I appreciate that because as you can see, this is sort of a glossy back, so might get fingerprints easily. So this is how it will look in the case. Yes, the shine is gone, but yeah, it will protect the device. So this is what it looks inside the supplied case. So let's keep that to the side. And apart from that, there'll be a signature tool. This is the USB cable. Is it USB type C? Let's see. No, still a micro USB cable, so that's what it is. And this is a charger. This is a standard charger, guys, 5 volts at 2 amps that you're getting in the box. So guys, here is the device itself. Let me actually give you a physical overview first. On the top we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone, and guys, this is metallic and the build quality feels very premium. Will be interesting to see how they price this out. Volume rockers and power on off button again give a good feel. Bottom, this might be the main speaker. Micro USB port that will be used for charging. This will be the main microphone. 3.5mm headphone jack, and this is the SIM tray. Let's see the configuration what they are giving. I'm also not very sure about it. So nice to see a dedicated micro SD card slot and 2 nano SIMs. So you can easily expand the storage even if you get this variant that comes with 64GB of internal storage. Back we have the fingerprint scanner. So let me quickly just try to boot this up. And by the time I set this up, let me give you a configuration overview. This Honor 8X is having a 6.5-inch IPS LCD screen, which is a full HD plus screen in the 19.5:9 aspect ratio. It's powered by the Huawei's new HiSilicon Kirin 710 chipset, which is an octa-core processor, and it comes with the Mali G51 MP4 GPU. The variant that we have has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Moving to the rear-facing camera, it's a dual camera setup. The main camera is a 20 megapixel, and the secondary camera is a 2 megapixel for depth. Moving to the front-facing camera, it's a 16 megapixel shooter. We also have a fingerprint scanner, and it comes with 3750 milliamp hour battery. So guys, I've just finished setting up this device, and as you can see, this one also has that notch design, but it's having a 6.5-inch screen, and they're able to fit it because of the new aspect ratio 19.5:9. And I thought that the handset would be really heavy or something like that, but that's not the case. So it's comfortable to hold even with a single hand, and I like the placement of the fingerprint scanner. It's your finger actually reaches here easily, unlike some other phones which are doing gimmicky fingerprint scanner. And as expected, the fingerprint scanner is really fast, and we also have the face unlocking on this one. But let's see under the hood and see what we actually get. Again, it runs on EMUI, which is used by Honor and Huawei phones, so that's the same. Nothing has changed. And if you go to system and about the phone, as you can see, it's running on the EMUI version 8.2, and out of the box it's coming with 8.1. that is Oreo out of the box, and I think so this one will also get the Android P update after some time. And it also shows us the storage. Out of that 64 gigabytes, as you can see, we are getting about 53.37 gigabytes of space that is free. But I think the storage shouldn't be a problem because it has a dedicated micro SD card slot. So that's what it is. And again, I'm not noticing any lag here. This is the new chipset, the Kirin 710 that they have, and typical Emotion UI. There is some stuff that is sort of pre-installed. Good thing is that FM radio functionality is also there. So these are some of the apps that are there. But again, if you have used any Honor phone, this is very familiar territory that you will see. And let's also check the face unlocking. I've enabled it, and it just slides. It says slide to open, so you have to, and it's really quick, as you can see, that unlock recognizing. And yeah, but I feel the fingerprint scanner is very convenient position, and that works actually really fast. Anyways, also let's look at this camera on this one. The dual camera setup, it's a 20 megapixel f1.8 main one, second is a depth one. So let's just quickly test it out. Let's put some objects here. Let me fire the camera app and switch camera modes. It says next. GPS tracking, I'll do it later. So again, we have the modes over here. Night mode, aperture mode is there, portrait mode is there, photo will be a regular video, and it says more is what? Yeah, we don't even have a pro mode, as you can see. But let's just go to the photo mode, which is the normal mode that you get. Let's look at the settings first. As you can see, 20 megapixel is the it's set to that, and again, a lot of options are there to actually set up stuff. So that's, you can even add watermarks if you want. But let's quickly look at the camera on this one. Let's try this. And the shutter speed is fast as expected. You can adjust the exposure from here, and the moment you click, it is actually taking the shot. As you can see, these are some of the sample shots that we took, and they have a lot of detail, as you can see than them. So that's what it is. Now we also have the portrait mode, which will cause that background blur effect if you want. And again, even using that, as you saw, there was no delay. You see the background, it's a little bit blurred, so that's what it is. And let's just go back and have a look at the front facing camera. It's supposed to be 16 megapixel, and as you can see, it's trying to track my face, and by default mirror on, mirror off is there. I'll just use mirror on. And portrait mode, that was the portrait mode, no delay. This is the regular mode, as you can see. Let me do one thing, guys. Let me actually take some sample shots with this one so that you can have a better idea. So these are some of the sample shots that I've taken with this Honor 8X in my office in artificial lighting conditions. And here are some other samples taken in my roof garden with this Honor 8X. And as you can see, again, as expected, in outdoor conditions, it's actually doing a pretty good job. And here are some of the samples taken with the front-facing camera of this Honor 8X. And we also have that portrait mode even with the front-facing camera. And again, here are some quick samples with the front-facing camera in artificial lighting conditions with this Honor 8X. So guys, that's it for now for the quick unboxing and first look at this Honor 8X. What do you guys think about this smartphone? And again, regarding the pricing, I'll leave the details when I get the pricing on October 16. So anyways, what do you guys think about this Honor 8X? Do share your quick thoughts in the YouTube comment section below. And guys, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.